Xbox.
Hey guys, this is Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery on an XPS 15 L521x. If you're looking for this battery, go to partspeople.com and use this 5% discount coupon.
Turn the laptop over.
Remove the screws. Open the cover plate. Remove the screws. Unsnap the bottom base and turn it over. Unplug the cable. Unplug the cable. Remove the 3 screws. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Looking for something else? Check out these other XPS 15 L521x tutorials. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.